rise and shine.
Mama was the hardest thing for me. We had so many conversations about everything. Seeing the pain in her eye was killing me. Gave me
Mo quick gang, I just got here. It's kind of dark here right now. I don't got no light, but it's Gucci though. Y'all know my bop. We just got here. We in Jamaica right now. I'm gonna reveal this something. I ain't really tripping about not telling y'all. So we in Jamaica right now. We just got in the car. I'm about to get something to eat. I got my driver right here. And we about to turn up. We about to find some stuff to do. We about to go to the hotel where we staying at. So y'all stay tuned, alright? Just got me some jerk pork and some festival. I'm be eating this the whole trip too. Crazy. Both gang, I am back and I'm finally here. I finally reached my destination. I am here and I gotta show y'all. I literally just walked in. It's the front door right here. I just walked in, and when I walked in, I said I gotta show my game, my new spot that I'm staying in for a whole week. The light is kind of bad right here, but I got y'all, alright? So I'm about to show y'all around. Let's get it. Right here we got the full kitchen. I'm probably gonna cook in here too. Laundry room right here. I'm about to use that right now because I went jet skiing yesterday. Got some nice countertops right here. Got a fridge. We got some red stripe in that. You drink? You drink? Yes, sure. And then right here we got them where we eat at. But I'm gonna show y'all these bedrooms first. I'm gonna show y'all these bedrooms first. I'm gonna show y'all living room. I got this full bedroom right here. I don't got no TV in here. Got a right size bed. Closet right here. Another closet. I don't know who's gonna go up there or who's gonna use that. You gotta be super tall to use that shit. Look at that. I can't even reach nothing now. And then we got a little outside view right here. This is the outside area. But we ain't like that. Nice and cool in here right now. This is the bathroom. I like that. What I like that. We know what I like that. There you go. This bathroom right here. Cute little shower, toilet, so I can take a shit. Got a living room right here. Got a nice little TV. Look at these couches right here. I'm probably gonna be laying here just watching TV. I'll probably sleep right here. Super nice right now. Nice little TV right now. Let me see if I can find this thing to get outside. I don't know where that's at. Got a balcony, I can't even get to it. That's some serious shit out here. Y'all can't see it. I'm gonna give y'all a better view in the morning, but we got an infinity pool right there. We got some lounge chairs. We got two pools actually. One infinity pool and one of these pools are like salt water, something like that. And then the ocean is behind it. So I'm gonna show y'all that in the morning. I don't wanna make too much noise. I don't know who's sleeping right now. And it's like 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna definitely show y'all in the morning. I'm probably gonna show y'all some sunrise type stuff. Y'all stay tuned. You gotta stay tuned for this. Alright, and then we got the double door master bedroom spot right here. Got a nice bed. Closet space again. No TV once again. This is the outside area right here we can see outside. I think we can open this, crack this window. Not open it all the way, but crack it. You have to try that because I don't know how that works because they got an alarm system on it. I think you can open it because you can pull this slide in across it. You should be able to open it, but No TV, so I guess I won't watch no TV. That was my airport today, but don't worry about that. Just a master bathroom right here. We got 2 sinks, toilet. Woo! Stepping on rocks while I'm taking a shower. And that's it, more quick gang. Stay tuned. I got some more videos supposed to be dropping. All the activity is gonna start tomorrow, so y'all make sure y'all tap in. Ooh, and I got on my Mo Quick shirt. Always got my drip on. But I'm gonna be doing some more stuff tomorrow, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all get ready. And I'm gonna drop that tune video right now. So I finally got some Wi-Fi. I'm trying to drop that video all day and wasn't able to. I'm gonna drop that right now after I get done eating. Take me a quick shower. So y'all stay tuned, alright? Mo Quick. Everything's set. All the ocean there behind me, you know. Right now, I already know everything I go. Me there in Jamaica. Tell me, Chef, hurry. Alright, so you see me? Check me, right? Right now, me at Jamaica, me there, you know. Biggest man thing that. At Jamaica, me there now. And the whole time me out here, so right now, you don't not gonna catch me I speak no English. You see me? Because at Jamaica, me there. And anytime you touch down in Jamaica, a vibes, culture, you know? You see me? Alright? So, this is what we are dealing with right now while we are for a couple of days a day. Jamaican chat me are giving what I don't understand it or not. This is how me I chat to me, you know? So check this. Whoever can tell me how you think I go, how you think I set, why me down here, so? Money me I send you know? Upstairs, me I go get me flag in a minute and me I flag out here, you know? Biggest man thing. You see me? And Jamaica me I deal with right now. And this is how everything's set right now, you see me? Nice vibes out here, so. Big vibes, you know? Ocean behind me. Me there in our infinity pool. Me have me whole set up out here, so you see me? And I live up right now while me out here, so you know. So just stay tuned with me. Sun a beam right now about 8:45 right now in the morning. The man I swim in a pool and I catch salt water, you know. So wanna just stay with me. And a beer video we are post up, you know. Whole time we also live up with life, you know. At 23, man, at 23, you know, big 23, you know. So right now, man, I could just go ahead and enjoy that thing, yes, so, you know. While me out, yes, so. Sun a beam right now, you know. I grill me having to all in Jamaica. So me I live, you know. Tell them I'm done, man. Me not ramp no more, you know. I'm gonna show any real thing. Saying that's what I don't want to see me. I show any real thing, you know. So, wanna make sure, say, wanna stay tuned in and to get ready for them things, yes, because a big thing we are doing, you know. A big life we are live up, you know. Big life. Alright? You see me? Biggest man thing. Way on.
Boy can't give me top night of basement. Clap it up and make your mother fly like a cherry. Anyway you see this skull, I'll move this time. Every girl love the fucking and booty cap. Gotta whisper my ears, I'll find it down.
Bless me have to acknowledge. Time and time you show them move that this is royal man show me they look like dollars. Jenna style, top farm ya. Me have cash for me. 2 phone ring. Somebody got army. 1 army, same, 1 army. When they fuck them thing, yeah, the man daddy. Louis V don't know fat farm. And if my daughter me cut guns, you blame top farm. Right now I'm finna get a beef patty. I ain't had a real beef patty from a Jamaican restaurant in a little while, so I ain't get some real quick. Beef patty. Mocha Gun, we out here right now. We're doing some river rafting. Nice, calm, and peaceful out here right now. Just like take it easy on all our vibes, you know. If you got me telling you something, I chat the English thing right, you know, right me down yourself. No. So right now, man, we just all our vibes right now, you know. Or just up on the river. About look nice and clean up, you know. Thing just look good. So man, just all our vibes and relax, you know. All our vibes, yeah, all our vibes.
American or English, man?
Jamaica, man, Jamaican, you know.
It used to be the one, you know? And split it up, you know? Be two different things. But that one over there is a San Susie couples.
Oh,
Just
couples. I told
and
you.
No children. Not two man, not two lady. Not two man, not two lady. They have to be a couple, you know? Yeah.
We about to go over here right now. This is the blue hole. We about to go do a little bit of jumping and swimming over here right now. I had some fun, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna definitely show y'all. I'm gonna definitely catch me jumping off the top of that and all that for y'all to see. So
Make sure not.
stay tuned, cause it's about to get litty. I told y'all I'm gonna have some lit shit for y'all the whole time I'm out. Careful. Start right here. All right. Just climb over the top right there, right? All right, this is the first jump we finna jump in right now, so. Y'all ready? More quick gang on three, more quick gang on three. 1, 2, 3. It's cold. Jump. It's cold, right?
Yeah. My wig is on.
Don't worry, I'll never forget.
This one right here, look at this. It's kind of hot for real though.
You a chicken?
Smoke the game. Yo, bomba cloud, you and me, I'll mash up your place right now, you know? Whatever I see, you must think something forget. No, just jump, it's not hot. One, two, three. Bro, you know, oh, I had a bomba thing. That's so that. 1, 2, 3.